What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to change your character's outfit, colors, personalize your size and change the clan you're assigned to in Project Slayers. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. When starting up Project Slayers on your PC or mobile device, don't select to play, but rather scroll down in this menu and select Customize. In your customization menu, you have the option to expand your scaling, clothes, face, hair and skin tone on the top left of this window. You have the option to change your character's width, height and depth when changing these values. Below, expand your clothes when selecting shirt, for example. You can make use of the arrows to change your shirt. You can see that the shirt is selected as this small icon is appearing next to it. You can then proceed to change the color below. You can even use a custom hex code for your color if you wish to do so. This will change the color of your shirt. To apply these changes, click on Apply next to the hex code. You can apply the same changes to your shoes, pants, face and hair. In most cases, you will be able to change the second and third colors of your clothing as well. Simply select the color and change the color below before applying your changes. When expanding face, you can change your character's eyes, nose, mouth and 2 additional face accessories. Finally, change your skin tone before saving your character's appearance. On the right-hand side of this window, you can preview which clan names are common, uncommon, rare, legendary, mythic and supreme. Each clan comes with its own perks and you can change it when spinning the wheel below. You can also preview your current clan perks and the clan name here. For more information, codes to get free spins and tips, make sure to follow my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.